we seen a lot of great methods for Python's string. Okay, but in today's video, I'm going to tell you such a way of string formatting which will surprise you, and you guys will also appreciate the beauty of Python. And app string is one such way in Python which allows you to place variables. Okay, a very conveniently variables inside a string. Let's go to the computer screen and see how app strings are created, and this is what we get to see in Python from Python 3.6 version. Python has such a great features. Let's see it. So now let's get started. The first thing I would like to tell you about F string is that it is used for string formatting, and F string has actually solved a problem which was in Python programming. Python program had to face that program, and that was the program while doing the string formatting. Now let me tell you what string formatting is. Suppose I write in here letter should be slash, I made a string here, and here I will be write, and I write hey, my name is, and then I put a bracket something like this, and that's it. So okay, and after I do that, I write something like this. And I am very sorry, here I will be read. I am from, and now suppose what happens that I do country hashtag should be Pakistan, and with that I do, then here I will be go, and here I will be, here we can go, and here I will be write like name should be Ryan. Also I can say letter dot format and format is a method. It's a string method. Okay, so here we can go, and I can say count, name comma country, then the value of name will go into this bracket, and I will be overall what will happen that first of all I will be go here, and here I will be write like that, then here I will be write like that, and if I print a print letter dot format, here I will be write like letter dot format name, here we can write like, here I will be erase it, and here I will be also erase it, and letter, here I will be write like that, and here I will be write like that. I will be get my name is Ryan, like, and I am from Pakistan. I will be run, and you can see here I will be commit like that, print it. Okay. So what did the format method do? Put the name here and put the country here. Okay. And now suppose something happens that if I get it something like this, country comma name, where it will have been the other way around. Okay, here and here you will be see it. The name will come after, and my name is Pakistan, and I am from Rayan, which was misprinted. Okay, so what can I do to fix this? It's like I am giving first value after format. I will be write write one here, like I will be go one here, so the country will go in here, and the name will go in here. Okay, so previously string formatting in Python, and okay, so it will giving the error. I will be see why it will giving the error. Why? Because here I will be not right 0, so I will be run, and so like here you will be see, hey, my name is Ryan, and I am from Pakistan. Here it is coming. Now there is no problem with approach. Okay, it does not mean that you cannot use it. Definitely you can, and you people will also get to see this in all programs. The problem is that is the does not given conventions, and somewhere I am going to have write a lot of code. Then I'm going to have to figure out well is the 0. So put the country here as well. This is so name one here is here, so keep the name here. If we give 5 to 10 arguments to this format in the same way, then you will be where to the value of which variable come. So there's a simple way to do this. F string, which is writing something in Python, you write f first, and here I will be going Python, you write like f first. Okay, f string means that you can put variables inside your string, and like I will be go, so which is hey, my name is, I wrote her above. Now I can write it like this, that directly I can put the variable here. Okay, so now I hope you can understand it till here. So now let's talk about the string formatting. I will be done it like that, and here I will be give you example. You will be copy it and paste it like that, and I will be give you many example. Like I will be copying. Now I will be running. So here is the coming like well. I'll explain to sir. Hello, my name is this, and here it is coming like that. I will be run. Gig for gigs is a portal for gigs. Hello, my name is to sir, and I am 23 years old. Here is coming like that, and the output is coming like that. It is very easiest things. Like I will be write like 12, and here I will be write like hello, my name is Ryan, and I will be like run. So here you will be see it is coming like I'm gigs for portal, and hello, my name is Rihanna, and I am 12 years old. It is coming like that. So I hope you will be understanding what are our f strings in Python, and I will be give you like example here. And first of all, we learn like that. Now it is a new string formatting maximum introduced by PEP 498. It is also known a literal string equivalent or more complete F string, F character preceding the string literal. The primary focus of the mission is to make the encapsulation easier. When we prefix the string with the letter, the string becomes the F string itself. The F string can formatted in much same as the str format method. Then F string offers a convenient way to the embed Python expression inside the string literal formatting. And now there I told you about the string formatting and easily, yes, and I will be tell you about F string also. So I hope you will be understand it till here. So now I will meet you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.